Shaniqua. Like the girl on the
It's 2 damn o'clock in the morning. Where you been? Baby, take me back to it. I was with my girlfriend.
You're a liar. If I'll keep shit on you, you see what the shirt, Grace, or not?
So funny. Oh my god.
stupid.
I'll start again. Busted. It's 2 damn o'clock in the morning. Where you been?
Baby, didn't you get my tonight? I was with my
It's
girlfriend.
Isley.
You're a liar. If I'll keep shit on you, and they were both at home.
But I didn't see them, no.
But the only
friends in... Oh, sorry.
The only friend.
Yeah.
I know. Girl, you better
Wait.
Before you get all this, here's the truth.
talk to me.
I was with my girl when she got some bad news.
And.
Her man cheated on her, upset and confused.
But baby, what's that got to do? You coming in at you.
I'm telling you. That she was so ugly, she asked me to stay with her.
Then why did her have to pick up the phone and call me?
I was gonna do that, but it slipped my mind. I'm sorry.
But I'm telling you the truth.
But I'm telling you the truth.
Well, I got something for you. Tell me, what's her name?
Sharon.
Where she live? Her man's name.
Billy.
She got kids?
I think 1 or 2.
She got kids.
Baby, Oh.
That's one thing I gotta know.
How the hell does
She,
she?
if you don't know, she got kids. Go upstairs.
Busted.
Pack your bag.
Busted.
While you at it,
Busted.
call a cab.
Busted.
Obvious.
Busted.
Playing around.
Cause you busted.
Go upstairs and get yours. I gotta talk about here now.
Praying, please hear me out.
Ain't nothing to talk about.
It's whatever right now. Want you at this house.
Oh, okay.
Baby, please, one more chance. Let me tell you where I've been.
Let's quit wasting my time and say what's on your mind.
Fun. Me and some girlfriends. We went dancing.
Who?
Misha. Quan and Robin.
Wish y'all was going shopping. Why didn't you just check in?
I was gonna do.
I was, but then I thought myself.
But
then I thought.
And I thought my cellular was off.
But earlier
God.
you said,
Dancing.
but when I just asked, you said
Shopping.
Tell me which one you were doing.
Oh, baby, I must be confused.
That's right, you're real confused.
Tell me where you've been.
Tell me where you been.
Dancing.
Dancing where? The name of the club.
Kiss.
What time it
I
in?
think 1 or 2.
What time it in?
3, 4.
That's one thing I gotta know. At first you say dancing, and now you say shopping.
I was so into it.
Pack your bags.
Busted.
While you at it,
Busted.
call a cab.
Cause you're busted.
It's obvious. You're
Busted.
playing around.
Cause you're busted.
Go upstairs and get your shit. I gotta fuck up out of here.
Out of here.
I think she's telling us.